I need the money. TikTok paid me. I got my first money. I finally got paid by TikTok. Do you want to know how? Well, we're going to show you on this video. Let's go. Yo, this is Donald B. How are you guys doing today? Look, I'm so excited. I was ready to tell you guys this video. I wanted to give you that information about what's going on with TikTok and how TikTok is now paying. Like, yes, TikTok, I got paid by TikTok. TikTok is paying me. I'm getting paid like every day. This is like, it's so exciting. But I want to explain to you all about that because a lot of you are curious, like, what is going on with TikTok? Are they paying you? Are they not paying you? Do they pay you like YouTube? Do they pay you like Instagram? All those other platforms. TikTok is finally paying you. I am here to tell you that. I have proof that I am getting paid. And I'm telling you, this is what this video is about, and I promise you guys I'll get there. So, before we do that, you always know what I'm going to ask, like anybody else will tell you. Like, subscribe, and hit that little bell right there. I'm telling you, so we can actually continue following me and give you those notifications. So look, you guys are wondering what it is. Alright, so here's the thing. Now, here's what I've learned and here's what I found out. Because biggest thing with TikTok, I'm going to tell you right now, is read the community guidelines. Trust me when I say that. And again, I'm going to say it again so you guys understand it, because it's not going to go away. You're not going to understand things when you're using TikToks and things are getting banned and all kinds of reasons. Make sure you read the community guidelines. That's very important. You need to understand that. Because if you don't do it, you're going to mess up, make mistakes that you're going to regret, and it's going to make it harder for you to come back from that. Okay? So I'm going to tell you guys how you get paid, but before I do that, I want to explain to you a lot of your questions, like how do you get there? How do you make it happen? I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. I'm going to show you step by step what you need to do to apply. There's different ways of doing it, and I'm going to show you what I've done and how I did it, so you know what you need to do. People are asking, do you get an approved message? I personally never got anything that said approved. It just started working for me. So that part I can't show you. I don't know what that part looks like. So either you look for something that says approved, or the fun creator just starts. Okay? I spoke with somebody. They said they got something that said approved. I've looked all over the place. I didn't see anything. All I know is I started seeing money in. Because the way it works, it comes in 3 days later. It's every 3 days, well, not every 3 days. It comes in. It's 3 days behind, really. So as it pays up for the past 3 days, and the next day it goes on and goes on. So you get paid every day, but it's like 3 days behind. Hope you understand that. Hope I didn't confuse you there. Alright, so first thing first, how do you get approved? Alright, there's qualifications. One, you have to be 18 years old. Kids, remember, if you're not 18, you're not going to get this approved. So don't bother, don't do it. It's not going to happen. You have to be 18 years old. Second, you have to have at least 10,000 followers. If you do not have 10,000 followers, then you're not going to get this. So you have to be 18 and 10,000 followers. And you have to have at least 10,000 views on your videos in the past month, in the past 30 days, to be technical. So make sure you have those three. The other one is make sure you're a U.S. citizen. USA, United States of America. So we get that clear. You have to be a USA citizen. Now, other countries, I don't know what you guys are doing yet. I've heard things are coming up. I heard September 1st, possibly Europe. I don't know. I could be wrong. Don't quote me on that. But look up that information because I'm sure you want to know about that. But those are qualifications in order for you to apply, in order for you to be qualified. Now, can you be denied? Yes, you can be denied. Why would you be denied? It could be multiple reasons why. Because your account's in a bad status. You're probably getting shadow banned all the time. You've probably been banned from live. You've probably been banned, or you have a bunch of videos that's not meeting community guidelines. Again, keyword, community guidelines. That's very, very important when it comes to TikTok. Trust me when I say that, because you do not want to break community guidelines, okay? I'm telling you that as a friend, as a mentor. Look, I have the information. I'm telling you, trust me when I say that. I've read the community guidelines like 5 times because I've questioned things they've taken down. So, be mindful of that. If you get a clean account, more likely you're good, okay? But that's one of the things that's the biggest thing you need to be aware of, so that way you can get paid. Once they approve you, boom, money's in the bank. If you don't get declined, I've heard you have to wait at least 30 days before you can actually reapply again. So please make sure your stuff is in good standing so that way you don't have to worry about being denied, okay? Again, I don't know why would they fail you if you're in good standings. I don't know that. I know I got approved. That's what I'm happy about for my family, because we have a family channel, J&D Knuckleheads. Like I'm plugging, right? J&D Knuckleheads. J&D Knuckleheads. I got a shirt. Oh, I'm not selling them yet, but I'm saying. But anyways, I want you guys to be mindful of that. Watch those things. Watch out for those things. Make sure your steps is good. And now I'm gonna show you how to actually apply for it. All right, guys. So in order to apply for the TikTok Creator Fund, you need to go into TikTok, of course. Okay. This page basically shows you where everything is. Like for analytics, that's very important because you can pay attention to where you're getting paid and how much. So if you look at where it says the last 7 days, these numbers, they'll show you exactly what day it's on. And you see how many followers you have. You can go to the follower page and see how many, these are the videos. If you see how many videos are being watched, that's showing you how many videos are being seen in the last 7 days, okay? This is very important to help you have an idea of what you're going to be getting paid on your TikTok Creator Funds. Now, I can tell you if you go based off of your first payment, the CPM, to get your CPM, which is basically clicks per 1,000 views, that can kind of give you an idea how much you're going to get paid. Okay. Now, is it great money? No, it's not. It isn't. If I was in high school, yes, it'll be cool. This is not a thing to quit your job. If you're getting paid like $50,000 a year, you don't want to quit your job when it comes to this. Trust me when I say that. It's not there yet. Give it time. It's brand new. I'm sure things will be raised. I'm sure the percentage will definitely raise up. But as of right now, that's where it's at. I want to tell you this is the best way of actually looking at it so you can keep track of what you're making. So again, the way I applied, this is how I applied. So I went to my page. In my home page, at the top of the screen, I come here. Well, sorry, I apologize. Let me go back. So where was it? All right, so come down here to my inbox. Right here in the inbox where it says 99 plus down the very bottom. So I click on that. If I go to all activities, because there was a message that popped up. So check your notifications. The notification will pop up. If you don't know, if you don't see it, go to all activities. When you go to all activities, go down to the bottom where it says from TikTok. That little TikTok symbol, go there because that's where all the notifications go. And now where it mentions TikTok Creator Newsletter, account updates. So let's click on this real quick. In here, where you see it says turn your creativity into opportunities. You should see that where it says apply to TikTok Creator Fund. You go in there to click to apply for it. And once you go in there, it's going to tell you, it's going to give you an option to answer some questions that you meet the qualifications. Make sure where it says the 18 plus, you have to hit that agreement in order to continue. I don't have any more, so I can't show you guys that. But here's to show you that I'm making money every day. I cannot show you the dollar amounts because I can get in trouble. That's the only thing. I truly do apologize. You have to read the policies because I don't want to get kicked out. I'm not going to get kicked out for you all. But it does. This is what your page will kind of look like. You'll probably see a big 0 if you're just now applying. So make sure you click on that. And click on this. This is where you would see it once you actually apply. And it'll show you the dollar amount, which should start with a 0. If you see money now, that means you've already applied for it and you've been approved. So check this thing like every day. As you see from the 18th when it started, I've been paid every day. Okay, I've been paid up all the way to the 24th, and today is now the 27th. So like I told you, it's 3 days behind. Okay, I can't show you my dollar amount because according to the guidelines, I am not allowed to show anyone or tell anybody how much I'm making. All right, but I can tell you, if you go based off the first day, how much you've actually done the first day, and divide it by the amount of views that you have, then that should kind of give you what you have. So just do $1 divided by 1,000. That should tell you. It's 1,000 views. That should kind of tell you what you're making per 1,000 views. Okay. All right. So that's basically how that is. That's how you got to do. That's what you need to do to apply. This is where you need to go. This is how you can keep track of your numbers. All right, so you're probably wondering, how do you get those analytics? How does that come about? So right here in the top right corner, the 3 dots, you should see a pro account. If you do not see pro account, you need to turn it on. Go to manage. If you go to manage my account, that will let you be able to switch it to a pro account. See where it says switch to personal account? I was able to switch to a pro account. So when I did that, I now have the pro account so I can keep track of my analytics. It is very important to know what your analytics are. I don't really want to go through this, but you have the overviews, you have the content, you have the followers. It keeps track of your followers, when to post your followers, when's the best time to post. The best time for me to post is at 7 p.m. That's where most of my clients or most of my followers are at that time. So that's the best time to post. But we can go over that another time. But I just wanted to show you guys where to go, how to apply, and get that done. Now, let's stay on focus. Let's stay focused. All right, so a lot of us are curious about these things and want to know how to get paid. You can get paid every day through TikTok. Keep posting your videos. You want to be consistent with that. You want to make sure that you're always posting videos at all times. TikTok is paying their creators, which is an awesome thing. It's an awesome feeling. It's great that we know that they are looking out for us. It's awesome that they are doing this for us. We want to make sure that we'll continue posting good content. I just show you how to join the TikTok Creator Fund. That way you can get paid yourself. I know you want that. I know a lot of us have been looking for it for a long time. This is the opportunity to take advantage because TikTok Creator Fund has paid me. They paid me already. I'm good. I'm getting paid like every day. I'm sure by the end of the month it will add up very well for me, which would be kind of cool. I'm happy about that. I do have a lot of views going through, so that's very exciting for me. For what I've made in 1 week, I can't be mad at that. I can't be mad at that. It's like looking at a part-time job in a way. Not really, but in a way it is. It gives my family something to play with, I guess. I don't know. It's just cool. It's just cool that we're being noticed, and it's kind of cool to know that TikTok is taking care of you. So that basically answers you, can you make money on TikTok? Yeah, you can. It's a good feeling. You can do it through live too, so take advantage of live. Make sure you go to the TikTok Creator Fund application and apply. I can't stress that enough. Stop wasting your time. If I'm telling you, if they're gonna pay you, take advantage of it. Why not get some free money? There's some other things I want to tell you guys. Like I said, I want to tell you how much TikTok is paying, but I cannot do that because of guideline rules. You're not supposed to tell anybody. It's just like you working at your job. You're not supposed to tell other people how much you're making, because that'll cause stress, that'll cause controversy, that'll cause people complaining. Why is that one person get that paid more than me? All I know is I got my first payment from TikTok back on August 18th. Well, not exactly on the 18th, it was like the 21st, but I got paid for the 18th. So again, I'm telling you guys, you can get paid through TikTok. TikTok's gonna take care of you. You can stop worrying about them not paying you now. They can pay for you as long as you get approved. So again, I'm pretty sure I've answered some of your questions. If you still have questions, if you're worried about the TikTok money, how much TikTok is paying you, and you still, I've missed something. I feel like I'm missing something, but if I am, put down in the comments below what other questions you may have. If I don't know the answer, trust and believe, I'm gonna look it up for you. Hopefully we can get everything resolved. I'm gonna keep you guys posted, keep you guys updated what's going on. This is your time to take advantage of it. I hope everything's moving in the right direction for TikTok. But again, I'm gonna come back with more information to help you guys, to make sure you guys are doing well on TikTok. And I hope this works, because I'm telling you, it's extra money for you in your pocket. Just saying. All right, y'all. Again, this is Donald B. Make sure you guys like, apply. I said apply. What? Apply to TikTok. But no, like, subscribe, and make sure that notification button to continue getting more messages from me. Watch my last video. Tells you more about the application. Well, it's kind of the beginning of saying, hey, TikTok is finally get paid. You're finally gonna get paid through TikTok, which is awesome. Awesomeness. But anyways, yes, I said awesomeness. That's all I even say that. All right, y'all. This is Donald B, and I'm out. Doses.